स्टूडेंट्स यूट्यूब के शंकर कोचिंग चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं प्रोफेसर प्रेम शंकर क्लास 6 के विद्यार्थियों को मैथमेटिक्स का पहला चैप्टर पढ़ाऊंगा, नोइंग विथ नंबर्स। इस वीडियो को आप अंत तक देखें पूरा समझने के लिए, और अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट होता है तो उसको कमेंट बॉक्स में दीजिए। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आता है तो इसको लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर कीजिए। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Let us start the lecture knowing with numbers. In the introduction part, we can count objects in large numbers. We can also communicate large numbers using suitable number names. We use numbers and know many things about them. Like we can compare the numbers. We have the large numbers then we can study in that way also. Then calculation using brackets. We have the Roman numbers. Let us start with the comparing numbers. Suppose the numbers are given 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 3, 5, 9, 1. So if the numbers are given in this way, we can find that which one is the greatest and which one is the smallest. So this number is greatest one, and this number is the least one. So how we will find which one is greatest and which one is the least? So see, for that you can see this is the 4-digit number, this is the 3-digit, this is the 2-digit. So this 3-digit, this also 3-digit number. So which one is the greater? So we will see this is 100 place. So 5 is greater than 2. So obviously this one is the greater than this 234. And this is the greatest one. Now let us suppose any digit I have given. Suppose 8, 9, 4 is given, and we want to shift the digit. So how we shift the digit? So for shifting the digit, this is at the ones place, this is at the tens place, this is at the 100 place. So if you want to shift the digit, so this is shifting like this, 100 place, this is your tens place, this is your ones place. So it is your 8, 8, this is 9, this is 4. So 4, 9, 8. This is the shifting of digits. Now how many digits you can make? Any digits we have given, we can make one greatest digit and one the least digit. Let's suppose we have one number. That number is, suppose three numbers are given, 2, 5, 4. 2, 5, 4. This is the number is given, and if we want to find whether it is how many digits we can make with this one greatest one and one least one. So for the greatest one, suppose I want to write greatest. So for greatest one, what we'll have? The digit which is greatest, that is 5. After that, we have the 4 and then 2. So this is the greatest digit. Now, what is the smallest one? The smallest digit. So for a smallest digit, We will start from the smallest digit. So this number will be your 2. Then after that we have 4. And then after that we have to 5. So this one the smallest one. Now let's suppose I ask you what is the largest 4-digit number? Largest 4-digit number. Let's suppose I want to this one. Let us 4-digit number. So largest 4-digit number, this will be your 9999. Mind it, if we add here only 1 plus 1, means if I add here plus 1, this will be your smallest 5 one. This is your 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the what? This is the smallest 5-digit number. This is the smallest one. The smallest 5-digit number. 5-digit number. This 1000. The smallest 5-digit number. The largest. If the largest 4-digit number is there, and if you add 1, then in that case it will be the smallest 5-digit number. Suppose I have taken largest 5-digit number and then I added 1, it means what? It means we will get the smallest 6-digit number. Now we will see the number. Suppose any number is given like 5, 4, 6, 3, 9, like this. And if I say what is the place value, so place value I can write in this way. First of all, I will write this as a 1's place, this as a 10th place, this as a 100 place, this as a 1000 place, and this as a 10,000 place. So this is as a place value. And for this place value, suppose I want to change this place value 5, 4, 6, 3, 9. So this will be in this way. We have one is this 9. Then another is plus, I can write 30. Then plus 600. Then plus 4,000. Then plus 5,000. Like this. So this is the place value. To start the large number and its estimation, suppose we have any number like 6,564. So this number we can estimate in different ways. Like this is your 1's place, this is 10's place, this is 100 place, this is 10,000 place. So we can estimate it, means round it this either with the 10th place or 100 place or the 1000 place. Whenever we are estimating any number like 10th place, 100 place or 1000 place, we keep in your mind that the number which is just previous to that one, if that one is greater than 5, then the next number will be added by 1. Otherwise it will be same and the number which is just previous to that number will be changed into 0. And if it is the greater than 1, that number, then the next number will be added to 1. So let's suppose I am considering the estimation considering tens. So estimating considering tens. So this will be, if you consider the tens, in that case the rounding will be how much? This will be your 6560. Why? Because the number which is previous to this 6 is 4. So it is not greater than 5. So this will be, the next number will be not changed, not added. Now let's suppose we are estimating for hundreds. If we are considering the hundreds, see in this case the number is 6564. So previous one is 6, which is greater than 5. So the number will be 6600. Now let's suppose I am considering thousands, rounding on thousands. In that case, the previous one is 5. Which one is this 5 is greater than 5 or 5? So the next one will be added 1. So it will be your 7000. So these are the ways in which the large numbers, they can be estimated using tens, hundred and thousands. Now, of this estimation, what is the use of this estimation? The use of this estimation, we can use this as a sum in the case of sum, in the case of subtraction, and in the case of product. Now the use of this estimation is in the sum, in the subtraction, in the product. For example, I am considering the case of the sum. Let's suppose two numbers are given, like 1826. This I want to add 367. So I can use the estimation process in this sum. Suppose I am considering the estimation up to 100. If I am considering the estimation up to 100, for the 100 case, this will be equal to how much? 1800. Why 1800? Because this is a ones, 10, this is the 100. So previous one is 2, which is less than 5. So it will, next one is not increased. It will be as it is. Now I want to add the 100 plus here, it is 3. So this is your ones, tens and 100. So previous one is 6. So I will take this as a 400. So the sum case will be how much? 1800 or 400. So how much it will be? 0022. So here is the use of the estimation. Here is the use of the estimation in the case of sum and 100. Some cases I am considering as a 100. Now let's suppose subtraction. I am taking the next one. Suppose I am taking the subtraction one. So the subtraction one. In the case of subtraction, let's suppose the number is given 3964. I want to subtract one number. Let's suppose 654. I want to subtract this one. I want to use the estimation process up to rounding it up to 1000. So if I do in that way, it will be equal to how much? So this is 4000 and this is 654. So how much will be it is? Because I am taking the estimation as the 1000. So this is equal to 4000 minus, this will be your 6 is there, so it will be 1000. So in the subtraction case, it will be 4000 minus 1000. So this is equal to 3000. Subtraction. Similarly, let's suppose I am taking the product one. Product. Let's suppose I want to multiply 365 into 445. Let's suppose 45. I'm considering at the tens place. So if I consider as a tens place, this will be how much? Tens place here, it is 6. Sorry, 6 is there, tens place. So this will be how much? This is your 400 into 5, 4 is there. So this will be how much? This is 5, this is 4. Nothing is there, so it will be changed into how much? It will be 50. So if you multiply this one, 0, 0, 0. So this will be for the case of the product. So this is how the large number can be estimated and its use as a sum, subtraction and product. Now the next one is calculation using brackets. Calculation using brackets means you can use the brackets for calculation. For example, let's suppose two persons are there. One is Mohan and let's suppose another is let's suppose Kaushal. Two persons are there, Mohan and Kaushal. Let's suppose they buy pen they are buying. Suppose Mohan buys 6 pen and his cost is, let's suppose, rupees 5. Similarly, if this Kaushal buys pen, 8 pen, and its cost is also rise 5. Now we can use this and calculate the amount, total amount, with the help of brackets. For example, I can say I can calculate the total cost. This is equal to 6 into 5 plus 8 into 5, that is 30 plus 40, that is rupees 70 rupees. This I can solve with the help of brackets also. For the help of bracket, I can use the total cost. This is the total cost, which I can write in this way also. Total pen I can write 6 plus 8 into 5. This is your 14 into 5. Another it is coming to be 17. So this is the use of the bracket. We will use the calculation. So use of the bracket we can do in the another way also. Like suppose we want to calculate 7 into 109. So we use a bracket also. You can solve this one. So this is nothing but this is 7 into 100 plus 9. This is equal to your 7 into 100 plus 9 into 7. I can do it this way also. So this is your nothing but 700. This is 63. This is 763. Now let's suppose next I want to calculate, let's suppose 103 into 209. So for this I can calculate in this way also. This is your nothing but 100 plus 3 and into, this is your 200 plus 9. I can solve in this way also. 100 into 200 plus 9 plus 3 into 200 plus 9. So this is nothing but, this is 2 0 0 0 0 plus 9 0 0 plus 6 0 0 plus 9. So I can say, I want to say that we use of the bracket, we can calculate the things also, calculation. In that case, either you multiply directly or you can take the use of the brackets. Thank you. Roman numerals. See, we have the numbers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up to 10. We can change this into the Roman numerals. Like this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Beside this, we have the other numbers are also. We have the L, C, D, L. L is for 50, C is for 100, and D is for 500, and M is for 1000. So in this way, we can write any number. Now there are certain rules for this. First one is what? First one is, if a symbol is repeated, it is added as many times as it is repeated. First one, this is the first rule. For example, let's suppose this is written. So this is your 1 plus 1, so it is 2. First rule. Then let's suppose we have like this. So this is your 10 plus 10, that is equal to your 20. Similarly, we have this. So this is your 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is 30. Second rule is, well, is not repeated more than 3 times. It should be not more than 3 times. For example, it is not possible. If I write it this like this, it is not possible. This is not possible. Not possible. And C, D, M are never repeated. C, D, M are never repeated. Like third one is B, L, and D. This is never repeated. This is B, L, and D, never repeated. This is never repeated. Fourth one is, if a symbol is a smaller value is written to the right of the symbol greater value, the value gets added to the value. For example, let's suppose Fi. This is your 6 is written. This is at the right place. So this will be equal to 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. Similarly, let's suppose we have like this. So it is 5 plus 1 plus 1. This is 7. It is the right side. But if it is left side, it will be subtracted. Like 1, 4 is equal, this is 5 minus 1, this is equal to 4. Similarly, let's suppose I have given XL. This is given, so it is equal to nothing but, this is your 50 minus 10, that is equal to 40. Then sixth rule is, the symbol V, L, and D are never written to the left of the symbol. This V, L, and D, V, L, and D. This is V, L, and D. This is never repeated to the left. Means suppose any number is here. So this is at this place, it is not possible to write the things. Now I am taking this one example. Let's suppose I want to write 69. Example, let's suppose I want to write 69. So how can I write it? 69. So it is equal to your, this is your 60 plus 9. 69. That is your 60 plus 9. I can break again this into 50 plus 10 plus 9. 50 plus 10 plus 9. I can break in this way. So I can write it easily as 50, that is L. L into X plus 9, which is equal to your Lx Ix. Thanks for watching. And if you like the content of this chapter, then you must like and subscribe and share with your friends. And if you have any doubt, you kindly write in the comment box.